I am going to solve some questions related to part and division. These questions are certainly not from NCERT book, from others books I have taken. But don't think that these are, or particular this topic is out of syllabus. ये किसी ना किसी 8th स्टैंडर्ड के क्लास में आपको मिल जाएगा अदर बुक में. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि 4 से लेके 8 तक जो भी सीखोगे वो काम आएगा डे टू डे लाइफ में. उसके बाद 9 से तो हायर स्टडीज हो जाता है. तो ये आपको सीखना मैं ज़रूरी समझता हूँ. दैट इज़ वाई I have chosen some important question. Not only important, these are very crispy even. So you will enjoy it and you will like it, I think. So let us solve this question first. Now how crispy it is, you will know afterwards. Divide rupees 15,000 into 3 parts such that 1/4 of the first part, 1/5 of the second part and 1/6 of the third part are all equal. Find each part. Now first of all let x, y and z are 3 parts. Now it is given 1/4 of the first part. That means 1/4 of first part equal to 1/5 of the second part equal to 1/6 of the third part. Equal, all are equal, so you can say it is k. K may be 100, maybe 200, maybe 1000, इस तरह. तो यहाँ से अब x, y और z का वैल्यू हम निकाल लेते हैं. कैसे? x इक्वल टू 4x, y इक्वल टू 4k, y इक्वल टू 5k and z equal to 6k. From this we have derived x, y, z individually. Now we are also given that this part 15,000 is divided into 3 parts. So you can say x plus y plus z equal to 15,000. Now put x का वैल्यू यहाँ पे 4k plus 5k plus 6k equal to 15,000. Now 10 5 15, 15k equal to 15,000, k equal to 1000. So we get the value k equal to 1000. Now x equal to 4k equal to 4000, y equal to 5k equal to 5000 and z equal to 6k equal to 6,000. This is the solution. This is the second question. Divide rupees 34 between 2 sisters Rose and June in such a way that 4/7 of one part is equal to 2/5 of the other. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आप ये करोगे, लेट द फर्स्ट पार्ट बी एक्स, ये आपको निकालना ही है। अगर ये निकल जाता है तो 34 में से x माइनस कर दो तो अदर पार्ट निकल जाएगा, एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट और अदर पार्ट, सेकेंड पार्ट would be 34 माइनस x, तो ये दो पार्ट आ गया। नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप आप ये लोगे, कंडीशन में आ जाओ, सच दैट 4/7 ऑफ वन पार्ट, राइट डाउन 4/7 ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2/5 of the other, that is 34 minus x। उसके बाद सॉल्व करो, वेरी इजी। यहाँ पे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं, 20x x इक्वल टू 14, 34 माइनस x। नेक्स्ट 20x इक्वल टू 14 इंटू 34 कर दो, मल्टीप्लाई करने का जरूरत भी नहीं है, 14x। नाउ ब्रिंग दिस पार्ट टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, दैट मीन्स 20x प्लस 14x इक्वल टू 14 इंटू 34, 34x equal to 14 into 34. Now x equal to 14 into 34 divided by 34. That means x का value 14 है। Now easily you can find the value of this also, second part. So first part equal to rupees 14, second part equal to 34 minus 14, that means rupees 20. This is the solution of the second question. This is the third question. Divide rupees 1380 among Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, so that the amount Brahma receives is 5 times as much as Shiva's share and 3 times as much as Vishnu's share. Now यहाँ पे find each share. Find each share. ये क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए था ना। यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया गया शिवा से, लेट शिवा शेयर भी x, amount Brahma receives 5 times as much as Shiva, so Brahma's share would be 5x, 5 times of the Shiva's share. Now remaining is Vishnu's share. टोटल अमाउंट माइनस इन दोनों का शेयर माइनस कर दो, दैट मीन्स वी गेट 1380 minus 6x. Now come to the condition. 5 times of the Shiva share, now 3 times, 5 times, that means 5x equal to 3 into 1380 minus 6x. 5x equal to 5x 18x plus 18x equal to that is 4140. Now x equal to 4140 divided by 23. I think it will come is 1 8 0. Yes, 180. So we get Shiva's share is 180. Shiva's share equal to x equal to 180. Brahma's share equal to 900. Vishnu's share equal to 1080 comes to 300. Here, this is the solution. This is your fourth question. Rupees 24 is divided into two parts such that 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part makes 146. Find each part. Now make the part first. Let the first part be x and the second part would be 24 minus x. This is the first part, second part. Now come to the condition. 7 times the first part added to 5 times the second part. 5 times of second part, that means as per condition, as per question. Five times the second part, 5 times the second part, 24 minus x added to ये आपका second part and added to 7 times the first part, 7 into x equal to 146. Now solve it. 5 24 120 minus 5x plus 7x equal to 146. 120 plus 2x equal to 146. 2x equal to 146 minus 120 equal to 6 to 26. 2x x equal to 13. So first part equal to 13. Second part equal to 24 minus 13 equal to 11. This is the solution of fourth question. Divide rupees 150 into 3 parts such that second part is 5 by 6 of the first part and the third part is 4 by 5th of the second part. Find each part. It is very easy to solve. Now let us find out the first part. Let the first part be x and the second part is 5 by 6 equal to 5 by 6th of x, and the third part 4 by 5th of the second, 5 by 6 x. After cancellation 5 by 5 we will have 2 by 3 x. Now on adding this 3 part we will get 150. So x plus 5 by 6 x plus 2 by 3 x equal to 150. Now being 3 is the factor of 6, so 6 will be the LCM. I am taking LCM as 6. Now 6x plus 5x plus 4x equal to 150. 15x equal to 900. X equal to 900 divided by 15 equal to 60. So first part would be 60. First part equal to 60. Second part equal to 50, and third part equal to 40, which comes to rupees 150. This is the solution of fifth question. This is the sixth question. Divide rupees 4,500 into 2 parts such that 5% of the first part is equal to 10% of the second part. Find each part. Now we have to make 2 parts. Let the first part be x and the second part would be 4500 minus x. This is the first part and second part. Now come to the condition. 5% of the first part, that means 5 divided by 100 of the first part is equal to 10% of 4500 minus x, and it is equal, so we shall put equal sign in between these 2 parts. Now in both the sides we are having 100, so we can cancel these 2 things. 5x equal to 4500 000 minus 10x. Now 5x plus 10x equal to 45000. Now 15x or x equal to 45000 divided by 15 equal to 3000. Now first part becomes, so here first part equal to rupees 3000 and second part equal to rupees 4500 minus 3000, that means 1500, which comes to 4500. This is the solution of the sixth question. Next episode I am coming with another topic, that is of numbers.